Good job, 7. Defense. Defense, 7. Defense. Stay on him, 7. Stay on him. Good job. Oh. He's good. Did that count?
Should have.
7. Good defense, 7. No, it's offense. Offense. Offense, 7. You get the ball, 7.
Come on, Chasey.
Come on, Chase. 7. Go get open, 7. Get open. 7. Get open.
Come on, Chasey.
Get it, 7. Get it, 7. Get it.
Whoa.
Come on, 7. Get up. Get up.
Whoa.
He's good. 7. 7. Go get the ball.
Jaden, get in there. You all right? You're going to start crying in a minute.
7. Get open, 7. Go. Run, 7. Run.
Come on, Chasey.
Oh, they good.
Come on, Callie.
Get open. He open. Pass it. They got to stay in the box. 7. You all right? You all right? Don't worry about your leg. Play. Get open, 7. Get open, 7. Get ready to get the ball. Shoot, 7. Get it, 7.
Jaden, come on.
Other way, 7. Where you going?
Other way.
Where's he going?
See, Coach Andy went.
He ain't know where his hoop was. 7.
Jaden guard. I was going to say he needs to guard number 8.
He good.
Yeah, Jaden staying with him. He's staying with him. Look at him.